Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the traveling crafter, and I am here with another super simple, super fast tag project for you. But before we get started, to all of you who are returning, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you very much. And for those who are new, thanks for joining me. Today, specifically, I'd like to give a shout out to Jeannie BMX 4773 and Gardens and Books. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. What are we going to need today? Well, the normal suspects: glue, glue stick, your ink, possibly a pokey tool or an awl, some paper, a circle punch, and if I'm going to be doing some embellishments that are on sticker paper, so I've got this little piece of cardboard with double-sided tape that helps me get them off, and a handy-dandy scissors, and I think that's it. I don't think we need these punches for anything. We can put them away. So, what are we going to make? Very, very quick circle tags. If you watched yesterday's video, you know that I am in the process of making some winning little gifties for, oh, and you need brads, or a brad if you're only making one, and I have some ribbon. For our winners of our bingo competition at our live sale, and we had a lot of winners, so I had to make some extra things. So that's what I'm doing, and that's why we're working on fast crafting. So this is what we are going to be making. It's simply just a circles stacked on top of each other. I've made this one into a pocket, and I've put a little tag, whether it be a circle or a normal tag in each one. So these are all finished and ready to be these are kind of decorated, but I think we can add a little bit more to them. So I'm just going to show you. You punch out your circles in various sizes. That's all you need to do, such as I did here. Now, I mass made mine, so I actually needed, I was making 6, so I needed 12, I punched out 12 circles. So I needed 6 for the base, and I really only needed 3 for the pocket, but I think I cut out 12. So all you're going to do is, well, for this, let's see, do I have a big, yes, I do. All I did to cut this in half is just fold it, literally fold it in half and then cut it. That's all there was to it. And then I stacked all of my pockets together, and then I punched them once with my little baby punch. So I don't think I really inked any of these that were in these colors, but, well, it's a little inked now. This has got a little cut on it from something. I don't know what, but all you're going to do is glue it, and you can make these in like no time flat. Great if you wanted to put this on a gift as a gift tag. It would be fantastic. Kind of a cute little embellishment. All right, now you notice that this one I didn't get all the way to the end of the paper, so it's a little bit flat on the top, but that's okay. We're going to pop it in here anyway, and I'll show you how to do that. But we need something in the pocket. Should we just put, yeah, let's just put one of these in there. Nope, not that one. That's too small. Do I have a bigger one? Do I have a bigger one? It's too big. Nope, that'll fit. And that will just be our little pocket. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. Hopefully this is flat enough. I did grab out my clickable stamps. I love these things. And I thought on the top one, I would put just B. Now, I already I thought about this afterwards. So we're going to try it and see if I can make it work on the ones that are already done. Let's hope so. Now, I tested this on here, and you can barely see it, Let's test it in the brown and see if that helps at all. And this is my warped mat. I have a couple, I think, two. Oh yeah, that looks better. 2 sets of these left on the Maker's Market I had. And I love these. They're great. They click together, pull apart. I've got the lowercase and uppercase font. And I really like it. I really, really do. So if you're interested, hop over there while supplies last, if they're still there. And we're just going to punch a hole right here. And I'm going to leave this in here because I need some ribbon. And I didn't... Oh, yes, I do have ribbon right here. That's right. Now, this is a little thicker. Do I really like this? I think I do like the yellow. All right, let's just take that apart. And to make this easier, so the brad goes through, some of these brads, they get hung up going through fabric. Did that one? I think it worked. Come on, there we go. Ooh, this is pretty thick though. Well, we're just gonna see what happens. So it's really easier just to put each layer on, and then you're just gonna, and the shanks on these are so, well, you can't really see the Just Be very well, can you? At least not on this one. I'm gonna push this down a little bit, so just, whoops, just to make sure. But now you got a little spinny McSpinnerson, but we want to put something on this one. Let's lay these out and see what they need, okay? I've got some stickers, like I said. Should we try Do We Dare? You know what I could do? I could do the Just and the Be, or I don't think it's going to show up on that one, so let's not do it on that one, but let's try it on here. Why not? I'm looking to decide where I want it. Where's my bee? Oh, that looks cute. Okay, that works. Yeah, it adds just a little bit of something on each one of them. Look how nice those work. Oh, these things are a blessing. Okay, that one needs something else. This one needs something on the bottom. And this one we could probably do the Just Be there and there, because I don't think it's going to show up on the... Ooh, this is right on the warped part. Yeah, I wasn't quite on Johnny on the spot on that one. There we go. All right, I'm calling this one done. Dundee. We need the Just and the Be on this one. And this one, we're going to go... there. Good gosh. And B. There we go. Oops, I got a little too heavy-handed. This one I'm calling done as well. And are you going to show up? I think it'll be okay. And then we just need to add some more. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got a little crooked on that one. All right, sweet. We got all the Just Bees done. All right, so we can put our ink away. Now, this one's going to be done too. So we just have these 3 to contend with. They need something. Well, I have the stickers. I was thinking something simple, but I'd probably need to. So these are one of my freebies from Ko-fi. So if you hop in the description, there's a link to Ko-fi, and there's a bunch of freebies. There's some other things that, you know, you can pay, that are paid digitals and such, but these are just some random little ticket-esque kind of, I mean, it's just a little, I'm going to put it on here because I've already got it. Hodgepodge of fun things. Okay, we're calling that one done. Boom, diggity. Peas. Why not? Can I get this? Don't even try it. Just use this. If you're new, you might not have seen me use that before, but all it is just a little piece of cardboard and double-sided tape, and you just lay your adhesive side down on it, and boom, it works. Just Be Peas. Okay, that looks kind of funny, but oh well. Just Be Peas. Yeah, for example, this is from one of the quilts, this little label from one of my quilt digitals that I stuck in. I just did really random stuff, but I like them. And I had them sort of cut out, not really, but all right, that one's done. This one I think needs something else because it seems kind of weird. Just Be Peas. All right, let's see. Let's see what we can do with this. I think it might be too long, but we're going to give it a go. Oh, for goodness sakes, it's halfway cut off there. Well, we'll see what happens. Here's what we're going to do. Part of that, the stamp was yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to zhuzh it up and cover up the peas. I guess I didn't think about that. All right, this needs some glue. All right. That's better. All right, now let's put this away. It goes right up there. And we will call this a 15-minute ephemera quick little project. So there we have 6 fun little tags that are going to go in to the packages for the girls for their winnings. So I hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, remember, as always, to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.